Safari Mac Browser Tips to Boost Speed and Performance. Maintain your shopping expertise speedy. If Safari is your browser of alternative, you understand that it is sometimes speedy and reliable. When your Safari browser slows down or is misbehaving ultimately, and you've got already established that your internet service is up and operating, you possibly can take a number of actions that will return Safari to its beforehand snappy efficiency. Maintain Safari up to date. Earlier than you strive the assorted tune-up strategies, replace Safari if it is not the present model. Apple spends lots of time growing the core know-how that Safari makes use of. Having probably the most present model of Safari is likely one of the finest methods to make sure a quick and responsive Safari expertise. Apple ties Safari updates to the model of macOS that you just are utilizing. To maintain Safari updated, it's good to maintain the Mac working system updated. In the event you're a heavy consumer of Safari, it pays to maintain OS X or Mac OS present. Tips on how to velocity up Safari. These tune-up ideas can have an effect on efficiency to various levels, however most of them provide solely minor enhancements in latest variations of Safari. Over time, Apple modified among the routines in Safari to optimize efficiency. Because of this, some tune-up strategies that created substantial efficiency will increase in early variations of Safari and in solely delicate enhancements in later variations. Nonetheless, it does not harm to provide them as drive. Delete the cache. Safari shops the NIP pages you view, together with any pictures which might be a part of the pages, in a neighborhood cache. As a result of it may well then render cached pages quicker than new pages the following time you go to the positioning. The issue with the Safari cache is that it will definitely grows enormous, inflicting Safari to decelerate, whereas it appears to be like up a cached web page to find out whether or not to load that web page or obtain a new version. Deleting the Safari cache can quickly enhance web page loading instances till the cache expands once more and turns into too giant for Safari to kind by way of effectively, at which period you must delete it once more. To delete the Safari cache, open Safari in your Mac. Open Preferences below the Safari menu. You too can open Preferences by urgent Command+, in your keyboard. Choose the Privateness tab. Choose Handle Website Knowledge. Click on Take Away All. A warning message seems. Click on Take Away Now to clear the cache and cookies. Choose Executed to shut the window. In older variations of Safari, choose Empty Cache below the Develop menu or press Possibility + Shift + E in your keyboard. Delete Shopping Historical Past. Safari maintains a historical past of each internet web page you view, which has the sensible good thing about letting you employ the ahead and again buttons to load lately considered pages. It additionally allows you to return in time to seek out and consider an internet web page that you just forgot to bookmark. The historical past is useful, however, like different types of caching, it may well grow to be a hindrance. In the event you solely go to a number of pages a day, that is not lots of web page historical past to retailer. In the event you go to tons of pages every day, the historical past file can rapidly get out of hand. To delete the historical past in Safari, choose Clear Historical Past from Historical Past within the Safari menu bar. Choose All Historical Past from the drop-down menu subsequent to Clear. Different choices embrace the final hour, right this moment, and right this moment and yesterday. Select Clear History. Disable plugins. You might have tried out a Safari plugin that supplied what gave the impression to be a helpful service, however after some time, you stopped utilizing it as a result of it didn't meet your wants. Sooner or later, you overlook about these plugins, however they're nonetheless in Safari, consuming house and assets. To take away unused plugins, select Safari greater than Preferences from the Safari menu bar. Click on the Websites tab. Discover the plugins on the backside of the left panel and deselect unused plugins by eradicating the Examine within the field subsequent to it. Do not robotically deselect each plugin without studying its title and deciding you do not want it. You might be utilizing a plugin without being conscious of it. Click on any Lively plugin for details about it. Toss unused extensions. Extensions are related in idea to plugins. Each present capabilities that Safari does not have by itself. Similar to plugins, extensions could cause points with efficiency when there are numerous extensions put in, the extensions are competing, or the extensions have origins or functions you have lengthy since forgotten. To do away with unused extensions, select Preferences from the Safari menu. Choose the Extensions tab. The extensions are listed within the left panel. Deselect an unused extension by eradicating the examine from the field subsequent to it. Spotlight an extension and select the Uninstall button to take away it fully. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.